A massive torpedo shot out from the ice at 80 meters per second towards the convoy. Johnson grabbed it and told the driver. To turn hard, Little Kara fired wildly at their team. Little Black activated the machine gun. Outmatched, Little Kara switched to missile mode. As defeat loomed, Brother Chang raced down, accelerated, and hit Little Kara. Missiles launched instantly. Sang Biao, furious, ordered the submarine to surface. The massive submarine erupted, stunning everyone. As it approached, Little May activated the nitrous boost. Everyone sped up to escape, leaving the submarine far behind. Sang Biao, enraged, ordered tracking missiles. As they closed in, Brother Chang activated a switch. Flames burst out, creating distance. In a critical moment, he drifted to dodge the missile, but it chased again. Brother Chang shifted gears, floored the gas, lifting the car's front wheels, heading for the submarine's mark. Sang Biao, unable to catch up, ordered Little Kara to board the submarine, but it was too late.